Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Android Studio on Windows for Kotlin apps, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Android Studio website. Locate the download section for Android Studio. Select the appropriate version for Windows. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded installer file. Double-click on the installer file to start the installation process. If prompted by the user account control, click Yes to allow the installer to run. Choose the setup type when prompted, select Standard for a typical installation. Click Next to proceed through the setup process. Review the components included in the installation. Make sure to check the boxes for the Android virtual device and the Android SDK. Click Next to proceed to the installation location. You can choose the default installation path or select a different location. After selecting the folder, click Next. On the next screen, review your installation settings. Click Install to begin the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, ensure that the option to start Android Studio is checked. Click Finish to exit the installer. Android Studio will launch for the first time. Follow the setup wizard to configure your settings. You may choose to import settings from a previous version or start fresh. Select Next to proceed with your chosen option. Accept the standard settings for the Android SDK or modify them if needed. Continue clicking Next until you reach the final setup screen. Click Finish to complete the initial configuration. Android Studio will now take a moment to download additional components. Once downloaded, you will see the main IDE interface. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.